Mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. Now record an empty chair for up to 9 or 10 seconds. You get my point? So you can do some kind gestures like what I'm doing. You can hear. Then you use your hand to wave down, something like that. So you can now save the video to your gallery. Then head over to Capcut. Now click on New Project. Import the video you just recorded to Capcut. Take note, we recorded an empty background first, so we will have to please kindly hit the like button so that YouTube can distribute this video to many people. You get my point? So what we are going to do from here is we want to split the empty background. So you tap on the layer, you tap on this layer here. So when you tap on it, you will see split. Then you click on split. You get my point? So guys, after clicking on split, this other part here, we don't want it because that is how I want my own video to start. So I will just look for a place here to split, then delete this other one. So I want it to start from here, something like this. Then this ending part of it also, I will have to split and delete it because I don't want it to be included in the video. I don't know if you get my point. Or am I too fast? If I'm too fast, just let me know in the comment section. So as it is now, you go and look for overlay. Now click on overlay, bring it to the beginning of the video. You get my point? So now what you will do from here, so from this point where your hand is above your head, where you want to swipe down, this is where you will have to tap on the second layer. Now go and look for mask. You get my point? Go and look for mask. Okay, see mask here. So click on mask, click on horizontal. You get my point? When you click on horizontal, then you click on invert. After clicking on horizontal, click on invert. So you take it to the edge, to the corner, that angle where your hand is. So you leave it from there. You just try to make it to be above your hand. You get my point? So this is a work of keyframe. So you add keyframe right there. You add keyframe there. Now when your hand is moving, I don't know if you get my point, you bring it down. You bring the mask, the horizontal mask, you bring it down to align with your hand. So that is where it will be erasing, it will be deleting some part of you as your hand is going down. So this is how it works. Once you add keyframe at the beginning, understand, then you make the video to play a bit, then you move the mask tool, the mask icon, to match to level with your hand. Keyframe will be added automatically. You get my point? So that's how you are going to do till you get to the end of it, like what you are seeing on your screen. You keep on doing it like that till the person will disappear. You only have the chair. So that's the magic. That's the real magic there. So guys, at this point, if this is your first time of watching our videos, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you turn on the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever we drop another amazing video like this. You get my point? So if you have any issue, let me know in the comment section. Guys, if you're a complete beginner and you really want to learn about video editing, guys, my phone number is in the description of this video, where you get to know different tools and how to use them. You get my point? Even some green screen effects where you can get them for free, and also how to use them. If you also want a mentorship, you want me to mentor you for 1 month, 2 months, guys, you can also chat me on WhatsApp and we will be good to go. You get my point? But take note, please. Chatting me on WhatsApp, it is not free. I'm not going to do that for free, but I won't charge you high. Just very little money. You get my point? So now let's see what we got. Wow. Don't you like it? Alright guys, so see you in our next video.